Welcome, respected teachers and my dear friends. Today, I, Jia Luthra, on behalf of our class 6G, am glad to have this golden opportunity to present an assembly on hard work, determination, and dedication, the key to success. So, now let's play the prayer.
Hey Sharadi,
Friends, you all know that without hard work, nobody has been able to succeed in life. Perseverance is the most important quality to become a successful person. Even the great and ambitious people like Mahatma Gandhi ji, Saina Nehwal and Einstein etc. have achieved success in their life because of their hard work, not because of their luck. One should always remember that luck works when one does hard work. So now let's start our today's assembly with a motivational thought.
Good morning to all of you. Myself Shwang Bhardwaj. I study in class 6G. Today I am going to speak a thought on hard work. A dream does not become reality through magic. It takes sweat, hard work and determination. I repeat my thought. A dream does not become reality through magic. It takes sweat, hard work and determination. Thank you.
wow, what an inspirational thought. As we know that news is the first draft of history. So now let's give a round of applause to the students of class 6G to present some headlines of the day.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Tanish Kumar, and you are watching and with me. Let's take a look at headlines. US death toll from COVID-19 hits 9 lakhs, and America stands with India against Chinese intimidation. Let's go through the details. Propelled in part by widely contagious Omicron variant, the US death toll from COVID-19 hits 9 lakhs. On Friday, less than 2 months after eclipsing 8 lakhs, year total, as compiled by Johns Hopkins University, is greater than the population of Indianapolis, San Francisco, or Charlotte, North Carolina. The milestones comes more, and US has arrested that it stands with India against Chinese intimidation after being deputed a PLA officer who was the part of military command that attacked Indian soldiers in Galway Valley in 2020 as a torch bearer for the Beijing Winter Olympics. China on Wednesday fielded a regiment commander of the People Liberation Army (PLA) involved in the June 2020 clash with the Indian soldier in eastern Ladakh, Golan Valley, to carry the Winter Olympic torch in Beijing, promoting India to announce a deployment boycott of the opening and closing ceremony of the mega sporting event starting on Friday. These were the today's headlines.
Cold wave to sweep Delhi in next 2 days. Delhi's air quality moderate, minimum temperature at 8 degrees. Thank you.
Amazing! Such an informative news. Don't get frustrated doing continuous effort. Sometimes the last key of the bunch opens the lock. So now let's welcome the students of class 6G to present some nice article.
Good morning to all. As said by the famous philosopher Vinci Lombardi, the price of success is hard work, dedication to the job at hand, and the determination whether we win or lose. We have applied the best of ourselves to the task at hand. Hard work is the determined, dedicated work you have done to achieve your goal. Dedication is amount of patience, focus, hard work you keep on doing until you achieve your goal. When your mind, your soul is constantly working and are steady in whatever situation to achieve your goals, that's the determination. Thank you.
What we earn by sweating our brows give us greater happiness than something we get by a stroke of luck. As humans, we wish to achieve many things in life. What we earn by sweating our brows gives us greater happiness than something we get by a stroke of luck. As humans, we wish to achieve many things in life. These things needed hard work to be able to come true. Poverty is not the cause, but idleness is. When we waste our time, time will also waste us. Hard work can help anyone achieve success. Great people were born in cottages but died in palaces. Thus, it shows how through great work one can get the key to success. When you start working hard, you will notice change in your life. You will become more disciplined and focused on your work. Thank you.
Hard work, a key to success. Success is 1% inspiration and 99% perspiration. Each and every one of us have goals in life, either big or small. All humans are hardworking by birth as they put a lot of effort in learning the basics like walking, crawling, running and speaking. But with time, some people become lazy. They let go of this hardworking nature and stop learning new things. Hard work, strong will and determination play a vital role in achieving success or the goals we set for ourselves. When people thrive in life, it is because of hard work. Hard work and success go hand in hand. Hard work can make impossibilities possible. Hard work in right direction along with right strategy is definitely a key to success. Thank you. Wow, such a brilliant article. Music acts like a magic key with which the most tightly closed hearts open. So now, let's listen to a melodious song by the students of class 6G.
खोलो खोलो दरवाजे पर्दे करो किनारे खोटे से बंदी ये हवा मिल के छुड़ाओ सारे जाओ पतंग लेके अपने ही रंग लेके, आसमां का शामियाना आज हमें है सजाना। क्यों इस कदर हैरान तू, मौसम का है मेहमान तू। ओ दुनिया सजी तेरे लिए, खुद को जरा पहचान तू। तू धूप है चम से बिखर, तू है नदी बेखबर, बह चल कहीं उड़ चल कहीं, दिल खुश जहां तेरी तो मंजिल है वही। क्यों इस कदर हैरान तू, मौसम का है मेहमान तू। बासी जिंदगी उदास ताजी, हंसने को राजी, गरम गरम सारी अभी अभी है उतारी। ओ जिंदगी तो है बताशा मीठी मीठी सी है, ऐसा चख ले रख ले हथेली से ढक ले इसे। क्यों तुझ में अगर प्यास है, बारिश का घर भी पास है, रोके कोई तुझे को क्यों भला, संग संग तेरे आकाश है। तू धूप है चम से बिखर, तू है नदी ओ बेखबर, बह चल कहीं उड़ चल कहीं, दिल खुश जहां तेरी तो मंजिल है वही।
I can almost see it, that dream I'm dreaming, but there's a voice inside my head saying you'll never reach it. Every step I'm taking, every move I make feels lost with no direction. My faith is shaken, but I gotta keep trying. Gotta keep my head held high. There's gonna be another mountain. I was gonna wanna make it move. Or it's gonna be an uphill battle. Sometimes I'm gonna have to lose. Ain't about how fast I get there. Ain't about what's waiting on the other side. It's the climb. There are struggles I'm facing, there are chances I'm taking. Sometimes life knock me down like no one I'm breaking. I don't end up nowhere, but these are the moments that I'm gonna remember most. Yeah, just gotta keep going, and I gotta be strong. Just keep pushing on.
beautiful song. A dream does not become reality through magic. It takes sweat, determination, and hard work. So now let's see an interesting PPT made by students of class 6D.
Hard work, determination, and dedication, the key to success. Presentation by Jia and Simar. Importance of hard work, determination, and dedication. In life, there is no limit to what we can achieve if we are hardworking, determined, and dedicated. In order for us to succeed in life, we must set definite goals for ourselves and work hard to put in necessary effort. In our lives, as a student, hard work plays a very important role. Our exams are round the corner, so now let's look at a few tips and tricks that we all must follow during exams. Tips and tricks to follow during exams. Organize your study space. Use flowcharts and diagrams. Organize study groups with friends. Create a study schedule. Get a good night's sleep.
Mudras to follow during exams. During exams, it is also important to maintain concentration, and yoga and meditation can be very helpful in achieving that. Let's look at a few mudras that you must practice while studying. Chin mudra is one of the most common hand gestures in yoga and meditation. Sitting in chin mudra can help your focus and concentration, and hence it can be ideal to improve your productivity at work. Sunya mudra. This gesture is used to improve intuition, alertness, and sensory powers. It also purifies your emotions and thoughts. Hakini mudra is well known to aid concentration, focus, and improve brain power by help bringing together the right and left sides of the brain. Things we should not do during exams. We should not eat lots of sugary, greasy junk food a day or two before the exam. We should not use mobile phones and gadgets for more than 1 hour. We should not put off studying until the last minute. We should not take long breaks. What is the best time to study? New discoveries prove that timing may not be everything. It is important if you want to create and perform at your best consistently. That said, science has indicated that learning is most effective between 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. and from 4 p.m. to 10 p.m. when the brain is in acquisition mode. Mahatma Gandhi, the father of the nation. Gandhiji believed in non-violence and peace. He was a freedom fighter but differed from other freedom fighters because of his determination. He never gave up and he never lost hope, even when his struggle met with failure. He didn't let go of his belief in non-violence. Sportsmen, hardworking. Student athletes learn to push themselves and try hard in sports, so they are more likely to do so out of the game. Young athletes learn to diligently practice and set goals, and this can spill over in the rest of their lives.
A short story on hard work. In a faraway village lives a hardworking farmer who has rice fields. Year after year, his rice field gives rich harvest. The farmer becomes very successful. He has 3 sons who are energetic but never care to work. As the farmer grows old, he begins to worry about his son's future. One day, he falls ill and realizes that his death is fast approaching. He called his sons and told them, "Dear sons, I see my death fast approaching, but before I say goodbye to you, I want to share a secret." He told them, "There is a treasure hidden in my fields. Dig the entire farm after my death to uncover it." The sons began to dig for the treasure without an inch left, but didn't find anything. However, their diggings of fields leads to the cultivation of healthy crops and results in huge earnings. These earnings made them realize that what their father meant. The iceberg illusion. Success is an iceberg. What people see, success. What people don't see, persistence, failure, sacrifice, disappointment, discipline, hard work, dedication. Thank you and all the best for your exams.
Wow, what an interesting PPT it is. Big success do not come without big challenges. So now let's see a wonderful skit by students of class 6G.
There was a boy named Nishant. He was very lazy and never studied efficiently. And the only thing he does with focus was playing online games.
He was always scolded by his parents for not studying. He was in 6th standard and his exams were on his head. So let's see the story of this boy. 3 days before exam.
11 into 6, 66. 12 into 2, 24. 16 into 4. Studying is so tough. Like, why many children have interest in this studying? I don't understand. Why do they enjoy this boring thing? Whatever. Let's leave this boring book here and let's play.
After studying a few minutes, he again went to play on his laptop.
Yes! I won! Woohoo! This is so good. Like, playing is so interesting and enjoyable. If we compare this to that boring studying, it will be on the top and that boring study will on the bottom.